Returning to wealthy coin, howdy mate, holders of Shiba Inus should be prepared for an earthquake that might cost $2.8 billion. The meaning was defined. A huge 9% drop was recorded by Shiba Inu, one of the most prominent Ethereum-based meme coins, in its 7-day performance. The SHIB community was rattled by this. According to a Twitter account called SHIBburn, which updates its followers on SHIB token burns, 3,785,744,343 tokens were destroyed in August alone. Caution is the topic of discussion in this video. Fearing a $2.8 billion quake, Shiba Inu owners readied themselves. The meaning was defined. If you want to see more videos like this one, where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. Now, let's get the video started. On September 4th, we will observe the Shiba Inu in action. The $0.01217 mark went from resistance to immediate support for SHIB after a classic rectangular bottom setup. A pattern breakout towards the baseline of its Bollinger Bands was observed by SHIB as buyers found rebounding grounds at this support level. If the meme coin manages to close above this mark, it could set itself up for a protracted uptrend in the sessions to come. SHIB bulls have shown a slow but steady increase in vigor after staying on a sideways path for more than 2 months. Last month's rectangular breakout showed that buyers continued to build on their underlying pressure. The purchasing power recovered at the $0.01217 level to cause a breakout rally, even though there was a 3-week folding wedge slump. The 20 EMA is still moving higher than the 50 EMA, thus the bulls are trying to keep their advantage. A possible invalidation could be indicated by any bearish crosses. The SHIB may have a period of low volatility in the next days as the upper and lower bands of the BB converge, opening up recovery gateways towards the $0.0134 to $0.0138 range can be achieved by hiking beyond the basic line in the $0.0129 zone. A bearish rebound would be confirmed, and a persistent downturn might be hinted at by any decline below the $0.01217 baseline. Following a brief foray above the midline, the relative strength index experienced a small increase in buying power. If buyers want to cash in on the current breakout, they'll need to make sure the price closes above 50 every time. In a bullish divergence with price activity, the CMF's lower trues also diverged. Confirmation of the bullish tendency might be achieved with a persistent increase above the -0.12 mark. This is despite the fact that the ADX has been steadily declining for the past several weeks. Lastly, the altcoin is 49% correlated with Bitcoin over the past 30 days, thus monitoring Bitcoin's movement in connection to market sentiment could be crucial for spotting bullish invalidations. We are witnessing a flurry of activity in the cryptocurrency market right now, with long-forgotten coins making a triumphant return and commanding hefty prices. The billionaire Elon Musk has spoken out strongly on Shiba Inus, and he has strong opinions about everything that's happening in the cryptocurrency industry. Despite the down market, Shiba Inu remains the greatest meme coin to invest in, and no one can explain why. Shiverse will be the name of the Shiba Inu metaverse, according to an announcement. So far, it appears like Shiba Inu is meeting consumer demand at a rate that exceeds expectations. Given the abundance of initiatives that have been announced or are currently in use, it is understandable that the founders of Shiba Inu would wish to provide their loyal audience with something fresh. It ranks high among Twitter coins in terms of viewership. Countless instances have proved that the social media platform drives trends and significantly impacts the opinions of crypto fans seeking to invest in intriguing new currencies or learn more about coins that are consistently garnering attention. Everyone realized right away that Ryoshi had designed the Shiba Inu and used the iconic dog as a logo on this coin. A lot of people would want to get this meme currency. No one who is familiar with the Shiba Inu breed will immediately think of the coin, not the breed itself. This reveals a lot about the level of interest individuals have in cryptocurrency. The moment a new coin hits the market, everyone takes notice. The ability to trade for fiat currency or even Bitcoin is just one of the numerous advantages of holding Shiba Inu coins. The purchasing price of one of the biggest Shiba Inu whales reached $22 million after it had added over 2 trillion SHIB to its balance. With over $319 million worth of SHIB tokens on its balance, this wallet is the 6th largest Shiba Inu wallet, and it was done in under 24 hours according to data. Although large-scale transactions like these are common among Shiba Inu owners, outsiders sometimes wonder about them because of their size. The community is deeply divided over this wallet because its owner is unknown. Some have hypothesized that it may be the property of an individual investor or a team wallet. However, countless of investors' funds could be sitting in one wallet if it's an exchange wallet. We also keep tabs on other big Shiba Inu investors. Not only that, but the majority of them are Ethereum whales who have been vocal about their support for the meme coin. The total value of SHIB investments fell from over $1 billion to over $152 billion last year, a reduction of almost 85%. The biggest Ethereum whales saw a decline in the dollar worth of their SHIB holdings last year. While whales have sold some of their tokens to contribute to the collapse, the slump has also hurt their positions. According to Messari's data, Shiba Inu has fallen more than 85% from its all-time high and is now ranked 13th among the world's top cryptocurrencies by market size. The majority of its backers had purchased the cryptocurrency during its bull run. Consequently, profits have plummeted everywhere. Sunday saw a 9% increase in SHIB pricing, reaching $0.000000 USD. Unfortunately, the meme coin distributed the majority of these earnings before the day came to a close. Shiba Inu investors have been hit particularly hard by the bear market and the fact that their dogs can't hold their worth. Despite the optimism that the SHIB burn technique offered, the chart showed otherwise. Market capitalization for SHIB was $6,725,682,032 as of the writing, with a price of $0.00001226. Fortunately, developers are doing everything they can to improve the burn policy, even though SHIB has recently taken price moves. Those that are in it for the long haul can take this as a good omen. The goal of the burn procedure was to raise the token's value. The positive impact of this development could be seen on SHIB's daily chart, which was predominantly red when this was being reported. The developers of SHIB released a blog post last week that details significant modifications to the much-discussed SHIB metaverse, in addition to the burn procedure. Developers have been reportedly working on the metaverse's foundational framework since the announcement on the third floor. This fundamental framework, according to the developer, is a synthesis of industry standards and dedicated team members who will strive to provide an immersive experience befitting the Shiba Inu breed. With these advancements, SHIB can perhaps reach the moon as well. At the end of August, SHIB's market value realized value ratio began to decline. But now it's starting to rise a little, so a price increase is probably in the horizon. There is some evidence that exchange outflow has picked up speed, which could lead to a price jump in the near future. Numerous market indications, in addition to on-chain data and ecosystem updates, pointed to an imminent price spike. Two indicators that could point to an increase are the moving average convergence divergence and the exponential moving average ribbon. In the first indicator, a bullish crossover was seen, while in the second, the gap between the 20-day and 55-day exponential moving averages shrank. Also, the price of SHIB was shown to be in a squeezed zone by the Bollinger Bands, which raised the likelihood of a breakout. It is possible that SHIB would display a higher movement in the next days, given all the network advancements and market indications. So concludes today's activities. If you enjoyed this and want to see more, subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up.